Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Marcus Spry. I'm a dentist in the UK and I post a new dental related video every Monday. So if you'd like to subscribe and hit that bell, ding, be grateful and you will have first view of the new video. Thank you. Hi, today we're looking at the Instant Smile Temporary Tooth Kit. I want to give you some tips and advice about this rather quirky little product which might help you out of a tough spot if you're missing a tooth. Okay, we're looking today at the Instant Smile Temporary Tooth Kit, which you can buy on the internet. Now, my little model here, what is it? Oh yeah, it's saying that he's lost a tooth, so there's definitely a tooth missing here, as you can see. So that's going to dent one's self-confidence a little bit. Now, the answer to this is to go to the dentist, but that might not be that easy to do. It might be that the dentist is closed, or it's difficult for you to afford dental treatment, or there's some reason why it's just not possible. So you can, if you want to, create a little instant repair there, and this is what this particular kit does. So if we have a little look inside, we've got a little set of teeth here. Hope you can see this. And if you look at it, this particular strip of teeth mimics your teeth. So if you were to hold that up there, this is the midline, and obviously that's the upper right central incisor. And as you see, this one must be, that one there must be the second one around, which dentists call the lateral incisor. Okay, so what we have to do, we don't need all the rest of these teeth, so we take a normal pair of kitchen scissors and we just literally just cut those bits off. Okay, you have to cut the right one off. Okay, and then it's a bit fiddly, but you'll be able to see that that then fits in the gap. Now this is my demo model, so it's got some cappings and things here. Alright, now obviously that isn't going to hold in position, so we'll just put that to one side for the moment. And we have in here, we've got some slightly darker teeth here, so you could choose, if your teeth are a little bit darker, you've got some ones that aren't going to sort of fit in with your particular colour here. Look, so you can have a little look first of all to see which one of those suits you best. Okay, but we have some of these thermoplastic beads. So I've got a cup of hot water here. It's not too hot, just for safety reasons, but we need to put some of these in. About half of them, I think, will be about enough. Okay, and what will happen is that those beads should, in this hot water, if it's hot enough, they will start to soften. And I've just got, so that you don't have to have any special dental tools or whatever, I've literally just got my Fresh Dental Care mug here, but any mug will do. Okay, so if you have a little look here now, you can see that the colour of the beads initially is white, and when they are soft you can see how they go in the hot water. Be careful not to burn yourself, won't you? They go clear in colour, and what you can do then is fairly rapidly, you can take yourself a little bit of this, it's almost like gum, okay, and then you can put that, it will stick the tooth, and just a little bit of this, not too much of it, and then you can put that into position in your mouth, and you need to then squidge it round. And then with your nail you can scrape away the excess. You can see how difficult it is being a dentist, can't you now? And what will happen is, because you've got a bit at the back here, okay, that will hold that in position, and it will get firmer. Sorry, let me remove that. As it sets. So you're going to need to hold that in position in your mouth and squeeze it. Now, what's quite important is that you bite together fairly soon on in the process, before this has had a chance to set, so that you make sure that you're not excessive in the bite. Okay, so in other words, that your bite isn't going to knock that out. Now, nobody, I don't think even the manufacturers of this are pretending that this is going to be as good as that which your dentist can provide you, but if you are in the middle of a situation and you lose a tooth and it's just not possible to go to the dentist, this is a very good way of giving yourself some confidence that you're not going to look like a big gappy smile as a result of putting this into place. Alright, so this stuff here, you can, if you want to, you can keep it, because you can re-put it in here and it will soften again. And if the worst comes to the worst, you can just pull this out and do the process again, because it doesn't set permanently. It's thermoplastic, it's plastic, soft when it's hot. Okay, and you could have a little glass of cold water here to put in your mouth to help it to set quicker. Alright, but check your bite, make sure as you bite together that it's not knocking in the bite, and then you've got at least something or other to be smiling back at your friends and family. Okay, so I hope you find that useful. The key things are nice hot water, don't burn your fingers, okay, make sure you trim the right tooth and it's the right colour, and then you need to make sure that this material goes across the back here, and that's the trick of it holding into place. Alright, the dentist that you go to see afterwards will be able to get this out, no problem, but you can then have something that will actually hold into position. Alright, best of luck with that, and thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe. Click on these boxes for more of my videos for a smile for life.